Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a blog website for free. The website builder that I recommend that you use is none other than Wix website. With Wix, you'll be able to create a blog website in no time for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And I want you to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to a new page, and you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Setup Without Chat, from here you can type in the type of blog that you would like to create. So for example, if I were to type in blog, you can see different sub niches that I could choose from. So you can select any one of these sub niche. For example, let's say I would like to create a personal blog. I could select personal blog, then tap on continue. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to your Wix dashboard. On your Wix dashboard, you'll now be able to give your blog a name. So the first thing you'll do, you'll tap here and you can give your blog a name. So I'm just going to name it blog. Then I'm going to tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you can choose the goals for your blog. So whether it is a case you'd like to sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, or so on, you can select whichever one of these options. So I'm just going to select share knowledge, and I'm going to display creative work and tap on continue. After you have done that, you can see some recommended apps. You can select any one of these apps, or you can scroll down and you can view the different apps that they recommend. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on continue. Then you will tap on continue to dashboard. Once on your Wix dashboard, what I want you to do next is you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to hover over blog, and you're going to select posts. After selecting posts, you'll now be able to create your first blog post. So you're going to tap on create new post. And from here, you could create your first blog post. For example, I could type in the title right here. Let's say test post. After you have done that, you can tap below it and you could start typing. Another thing that you can also do is if you were to tap on the plus, from here, you could use the Wix AI feature. So you could use their AI image generator. You can also use the Wix AI to write articles for you if you want. And you can upload your own images, GIF, video, any element at all that you would like to add to your website. You can quickly do that from this section. And if it is a case that you would like to use more AI features from Wix, you can tap on AI tools from the left hand menu option. And from here you can see that you can use the Wix AI to create blog posts. You can use it to create title, outline, images, or meta tags. And once you have created your first blog post, you will simply tap on publish in the top right hand corner and it will go live. And that's how to create a post on Wix. After you have created your post, all you'll need to do now is tap on setup in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on setup, you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you will be redirected to the themes page. And from here, you can see numerous themes that you can choose from. I normally select one of the best matches. So all you'll need to do is tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you'll be redirected to the Wix editor page. On the Wix editor page, you'll now be able to customize how your website looks. So I've shown you how to add articles to your website. Now I'll be showing you how to customize the appearance. So you're going to close the pop-up box. After you have closed the pop-up box, you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Then from here, this is how our website looks at the moment. You can scroll down and you can see that it looks pretty professional already. Now to start customizing, you can hover over any section with your mouse cursor, then tap on quick edit, and you're going to see the different editing options on the right hand column. So I'll be able to change each image if I wanted to by simply tapping on change. I could tap on image and I could choose an image that I would like to use. If you'd like to edit the other sections, you can simply tap on the other sections and you can edit the title and you can edit each section going down. It's as easy as that. If it is a case that you would like to add text or any element to your website, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can add text, image, button, anything at all that you would like to add to your website. You'll be able to quickly find it in this section. And to view all the pages on your website, you're going to tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages and menu. And from there you can view all the pages at the moment, as you can see right there. If I were to select the My Blog page, you can see that it carries me to the blog page right here, and you can view the layout. Now to make it go live, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Then you can give your blog a name right here. You can put in your free Wix extension. So for example, I'm just going to call it blog 123. Then you're going to tap on save and continue, and you can see that it has been saved. Once it has been saved, you're going to tap on done, and you can see that it has now been published. So you can tap on view site and you'll now be able to view your free blog. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.